We'll go over the top 10 strategies for treating fatty liver disease and enhancing liver health in today's video. Fatty liver disease is on the rise worldwide, impacting as many as 25% of the population. The good news is that this illness can be reversed with a variety of natural therapies and lifestyle modifications. To ensure that you don't miss anything, watch through to the very end. I'll be presenting the best advice and remedies that you can apply immediately to restore liver function. 1. Stay hydrated. Maintaining optimal liver health and function requires consuming adequate water. Water facilitates the liver's effective metabolism of fat reserves and toxin removal. Individuals who have fatty livers frequently don't drink enough water. Make it a point to drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day or more to be well hydrated. Always keep a water bottle with you so you can sip throughout the day. Water is preferable over fruit drinks and sugar-filled sodas, which can exacerbate fatty liver. For taste, add sliced cucumber, lime, or lemon to water. Since alcohol strains the liver, cut back on your intake of beer and wine as well. Water should be consumed in between each alcoholic beverage. Remember that maintaining adequate hydration keeps your body energized and supports liver and kidney function. Your liver cannot cleanse itself without adequate water intake, so keep drinking that water. 2. Drink coffee daily. It's possible that coffee is the best beverage for treating fatty liver disease. According to studies, those who consume coffee have a far lower chance of having fatty liver than people who don't. Coffee's antioxidants and caffeine, such as chlorogenic acid, shield the liver from harm and facilitate the burning of fat for energy. Since creamers and sweeteners add calories, black coffee is the best option. Benefits of 2 to 3 cups of coffee a day include anxiety and insomnia in some people, so watch out not to overdo it. As an alternative, it has been demonstrated that drinking 4 cups of green tea a day, which also includes antioxidants, improves liver enzymes. Herbal teas with properties such as dandelion, turmeric, and chamomile may also help shield the liver. To start your day off well, make a cup of hot coffee or tea in the morning. Just take little sipfuls throughout the day. It's also important to stay hydrated, so in between caffeinated drinks, sip on some water. Make coffee a regular ritual to protect your liver and satisfy your next caffeine urge. 3. Increase probiotics. Reversing fatty liver requires optimum intestinal health. Consuming meals high in probiotics and taking probiotic supplements supports good digestion, lowers inflammation, and strengthens the function of the gut barrier. Additionally, probiotics may aid in controlling the liver's fat metabolism. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, miso, and some cheeses are healthy food sources. Seek out brands that have active cultures mentioned. It is advised to take a daily probiotic supplement that has at least 10 billion CFUs of strains such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Stress, antibiotic usage, and a poor diet can upset the balance of good bacteria, which can be restored with probiotic foods and supplement. Liver inflammation can be caused by toxins and germs entering the circulation through a leaky gut. Reversing this process can be achieved by using probiotics and prebiotics to support healthy gut function. Probiotics need prebiotics as fuel to flourish. Bananas, asparagus, leeks, garlic, and onions are good sources of prebiotics. Consuming prebiotic fiber and taking probiotic supplements together support the development of a balanced microbiota for improved liver health. 4. Increase good fats. One widespread misconception is that fats in general cause fatty liver disease. Actually, some fats are good for the liver. Foods high in monounsaturated fats, such as almonds, avocados, and olive oil, reduce inflammation in the liver and help control insulin and cholesterol levels. Fish, walnuts, flax seeds, and vegetable oils are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which also help lower liver fat. On the other hand, since consuming too much omega-6 fatty acids from processed vegetable oils might worsen inflammation, it's crucial to balance your intake of omega-3 fatty acids with moderation. Increase your intake of omega-3 foods and reduce processed foods high in omega-6, such as soybean and maize oils, for best health. Steer clear of trans fats from processed, fried meals and limit saturated fats from dairy and red meat. Instead, when cooking and preparing salads, use extra virgin olive oil. Eat a handful of unsalted almonds or walnuts as a snack. Blend ground flaxseed into smoothies or porridge. On toast, replace the butter with mashed avocado. Aim for 2 or 3 servings of healthy fats every day. Your diet can provide your liver with the healthy fats it needs to perform at its peak by increasing the amount of monounsaturated and omega-3 fats. 5. Increase fiber intake. For the treatment of fatty liver disease, soluble fiber is essential. Before extra cholesterol builds up in the liver, fiber aids in its removal from the body. Additionally, it slows down digestion, preventing insulin resistance by stabilizing blood sugar. Fat accumulates in the liver as a result of insulin resistance. Try to get 25 to 40 grams of fiber per day from foods such as nuts, berries, apples, lentils, beans, and oats. Increase fiber progressively to prevent bloating. Additionally, as fiber absorbs moisture, sip on lots of water. For breakfast, have porridge with fruit on top. Munch on raw vegetables dipped in hummus. Include lentils or beans in soups and salads. Replace the white rice with quinoa and brown rice. Have an apple with peanut butter for a fiber-filled snack. Sprinkle chia or flax seeds onto cereals and yogurt. Taking a daily fiber supplement can also aid in reaching your goal intake. Over time, increasing soluble fiber will help cleanse your liver of excess triglycerides and cholesterol. Before we move on to the next tip to reverse fatty liver, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We can continue to help more people by producing these free health videos thanks to your support. Make sure you don't miss any important tips by watching all the way to the end. 6. Take milk thistle. A herbal medication called milk thistle is known to help with liver issues. The molecule silymarin, which is an active antioxidant, shields liver cells from harm resulting from cirrhosis, fatty liver disease, and other ailments. Additionally, milk thistle aids in the liver's cell regeneration. Take 250-500 mg of extract from milk thistle per day. Seek out 80% silymarin standardized pills. Other from the rare unpleasant stomach or diarrhea, milk thistle is thought to be extremely harmless. Consult your physician first, particularly if you are allergic to ragweed or are taking any other drugs. Early research has revealed that supplementing with milk thistle improves liver enzymes, insulin resistance, and cholesterol in individuals with fatty liver disease, while additional proof is still needed. Seeds can also be brewed into tea. Grind seeds in a coffee grinder first to release beneficial compounds. Add lemon juice to increase absorption. Though not a cure on its own, milk thistle is a simple addition to support your liver's recovery when combined with lifestyle changes. If you're still watching, congratulations! You've just learned 6 powerful ways to reverse fatty liver disease and improve your liver health. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body and metabolize nutrients, so take action now to support this vital organ. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. And remember to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos.